God, that better be a way
What did it feel like?
for me to get out.
It felt good. My teammates were moving. We love you. This man right here, he had about 10 assists. 5 of them was probably to me.
Yeah, you know, all on the
Terry found me. Mango found me. Luke found me. Trez found me a few times. So moving without the ball kind of got me in position to score every time.
You ever heard of Wes Unseld?
Yeah. He's really good.
Were you where you were 3 away from the school record?
Honestly, no. I didn't know what it was. I was just hooping, and it just so happened that I found out after the game that I was about 3 away. But, I mean, I'm pretty sure a guy like Unseld, you know, he's going to have it, so I'm okay.
Today's his birthday. Were you aware of that?
Unseld's birthday?
Today's his birthday, and you almost broke his record.
Thank God I did it. Happy birthday to him.
Did it feel like everything was going to, except for the one that got stuck? Everything was going in?
I felt like it was going to go in. I thought it was going to go off the backboard, though. But, I mean, everything just felt good. I was in the position to score every time. It wasn't like I was, you know, taking guys off the dribble, shooting step backs. They were all good shots. So I thank my teammates for putting me in a position.
One time you were in the left corner jumping up and down because you were wide open.
Yeah.
The ball. Have you ever done that before?
Yeah, I do that a lot. Sometimes I do that when I'm not open, just so they can look at me. But when you're open, you know, you gotta let it be known. I tell my teammates to do the same thing. You know, maybe if you see them or maybe wave your hands or jump up a bit, I can see them in my periphery. But I think Chris found me on that one, and he was finding me all night.
Let's talk about how good you guys are playing. When did you feel like it kind of came together and started to click?
Honestly, this was a really bad game for us. If I have to, you know, go on a scoring rant like that, then we weren't doing something right defensively. As a team, we have to be much better defensively, especially this time of the year. I think Houston did a good job of creating tempo, and we matched it, but we have to match it better. We needed some stops that we didn't get. We gave up a lot of offensive rebounds, so we could do better. And I just want to get out there. My teammates want to get out there and get another crack at it so we can do a better job defensively.
Russ, how important is it for you guys to win this tournament? I know it's your only year in this conference, but how important is it to cut down the nets on Saturday?
It's very important, you know, especially for a guy like Chris, his hometown. I remember my first time cutting the nets at the Garden. I enjoyed it very much. My first championship was there. So for Chris, this is going to be special for him, and we have to do it for him, man.
Will you cut the nets down if y'all win?
It'll be Chris, whatever Chris wants. You know, it's his hometown. You know, he made it out of Memphis, and you know he got to pay his respects.
Were you hurt at all or annoyed that you didn't get Conference Player of the Year?
Honestly, I didn't think too much of it because a guy like Shabazz, who does so much for his team, he leads them in every category. And then a guy like Kilpatrick, who does so much for his team. Without him, Cincinnati might not be in the position that they're in, with all respect. And the same with Shabazz. But with me, we have great talent, and we have guys that can step up when necessary. So I don't really have to assert myself as much as my two companions. But I'm very happy for him. He deserves it. And UConn has been out the tournament for the past, you know, I think 2 seasons. So for him to get an award like that and to put UConn back on the map, I'm very happy for him.
Russ, with the Tigers being out of the tournament and Chris being from this town, and I know Cardinals and Tigers are pretty big rivals, but what would you tell Memphis fans about coming to support the Cardinals tomorrow?
Man, you know, there's nothing I can say, but you know, it's kind of unfortunate, but you know, Memphis is a great team. You know, as a competitor, we would love to play Memphis. As competitors, we would love to play Memphis. You know, all the guys were talking about it, but we have to move on from it. You know, it's bigger things than a rivalry. It's bigger things than payback. But we're happy in the position we're in. We're happy with the 2 teams we can potentially face. So we'll just move on from there. There's really I really have nothing to say to fans.
Tomorrow night you get to play for your 3rd consecutive conference championship since you've been here. Did you imagine that after your freshman year?
I didn't imagine that coming out of high school. I didn't imagine in high school that I would ever win. I'm happy I had the opportunity to come here because I had the opportunity to win. Even if me individually it didn't work out as far as all of the individual accolades, just to get a chance to win is so special. I mean, you don't find that anywhere else. I mean, there's 400 Division I teams, and at the end of the year, only 1 team can take it. There's 16 teams in the conference. At the end of the year, 1 team wins it. So, and you got to think about all the players that's on each roster and how they must feel. So, just to be in the position I'm in, I'm very thankful.
How do you think the NBA will view you differently now than a year ago?
I can do it all. If you need defense, I'll supply it. If you need offense, scoring, I'll supply it. If you need passing, I'll supply it. Leadership, I can do that. I can hand out waters in the huddle. I can be a great teammate off the court. I come to practice every day. I don't have a criminal record.
It wasn't all that true last year.
Everything that I said was true except for maybe the passing. You know, it was always there, but I just had to score. I was solely focused on scoring. We had a All-American point guard in Peyton Siva, so I didn't really have to do that. My role was to score, and I think I did a good job. We went to a championship.
You went from 2 shots